everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you the one thing, if you need some motivation to do your YouTube channel, you might be doing it alone. I'm not entirely sure you are. Let me know in the comments if you are. But if you are, I have a solution for you. But before I get to that, I want to announce today that I'm doing a new thing on my channel. And that is shout out. So, leave a valuable comment below and I'll start you out in the beginning of my videos. So I'm going to do this in each video, so it's going to be picked at random. Unless I get one comment. But for this video, I'm going to shout out my most loyal subscriber who's been here since day one. That is Stories of Nature. So Stories of Nature, if you want this, I got your channel pinned at the pinned comment. And I got it in my description. It's all my thanks for you helping me out with my channel, coming back time after time. So, with that out of the way, the one thing you can do is go to Facebook groups. Now I told you can promote your videos there, but you can find like-minded people there too. You can make friends, and since it's Facebook, when you make a friend, you can add it to your friends list. Then you have a friend along the way. And the great thing about this is, unless you don't have social anxiety like I do, you can have as many friends as you want. So, go on Facebook groups. I'll put some in the next below too. Always make sure to check out Stories of Nature's channel. It's a great channel. It's very relaxing with very scenic videos. And also I want to give a other pro tip. I give free pro tips in the pin, well not pin comment, but in the comment on Stories of Nature's video. Which I also link to that video in the description below. Again, you've been here since day one, so it's the least I can do. So I know Stories of Nature's free pro tips, but here's the other one. There's the thing that you can get for your video that's perfect for your videos. Also, you just look right here, or right here, and you see it. I think it's called bottom thirds or something like that. It's when a like or subscribe comes up on the screen. And then as I say, you probably interrupt, it reminds the viewer to subscribe or like your video. And you can get like a animation one, like someone that moves. That gives you attention. But if you get like the one that doesn't move, you have to edit it in such a way that it moves on the screen, so it gets the viewer's attention. So, I think I went on this on my editing video, so I'll put a link to that in the description too. But it's a great for your video because it doesn't require you to have a face on your video. Because you have a face on this YouTube channel, as far as I know. And it really does help with getting likes on the video and subscribes. So I hope this video helped you out. And again, subscribe to Stories of Nature. He'll see it's been very helpful to my channel since day one. And I'll see you on this video coming up. Have a great day, everybody, especially you, Stories of Nature.